This is the 1phase 3-wire wiring connection for DAE PM Series -B and C. Step 1. Connect line 1 of electric panel to VA terminal of the meter. Connect line 2 to VB. Connect neutral to VN. Step 2. Insert line 1 through CT1. Connect white wire of CT1 to IA plus of the terminal. Connect black wire of CT1 to IA minus of the terminal. Step 3. Insert line 2 through CT2. Connect white wire of CT2 to IB plus of the terminal. Connect black wire of CT2 to IB minus of the terminal. These are the RS485 communication ports, plus, minus, and S. These are the auxiliary power ports, 230 volt, 115 volt, and 0 volt. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any question, please contact us at info@daeinstrument.com or refer to our website www.daeinstrument.com.